Now there are different kinds of partial dentures that can be used. One is the good old acrylic partial denture, which has been done since ages. Now the acrylic partial denture is also called as a gum stripper, basically because there is nothing to prevent its downward movement. Supposing I give a denture in this case, the acrylic partial denture is just going to sit here, and when chewing happens from the top, it is going to press on the underlying tissue. There is nothing to prevent its downward movement. So it tends to tear the gum across. So that's why it's called as a gum stripper. Acrylic partial denture is inexpensive. It can be, I would use it only in case of as a temporary medium till a more definitive work can be done. Supposing I am giving a bridge in a particular situation. So this is as an intermediate area till the bridge is, or the tissue is healed up, when we are able to place the bridge. The other option is to go in for a cast partial denture. A cast partial denture is made up of a metal like this, something like this, which has a steel framework, and there is a vertical support. The support for the adjacent teeth is there, which prevents the downward movement of the cast partial denture. It is good, but the patient will have to get used to it a little bit. There are other materials which are coming now called as Valplast, which is made up of nylon. So nylon material also can be used, and it is similar to a gum stripper, but then it has got a few more attachments in the sense that it is more aesthetic, and patients have been quite comfortable whatever that I have seen. You can also use a precision attachment, which is kind of a fixed removable type of a denture. So it can be used for replacing about 2 to 3 teeth. Though the cost factor is going to be a little bit more, these precision attachments can be used in a situation where there are no back teeth. This kind of back teeth is not there, and a bridge cannot be given. So in such situations you can use a precision attachment. So these are the few options in a removable denture without bridge and without any implant.